I have wasted so much money on TikTok, but these items I would definitely and immediately buy again. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you everything that I have bought from the TikTok shop that I actually recommend. And if you guys want to see a part 2 on products that I've returned and that I do not recommend, let me know in the comments. But with that said, grab your cafecito. I am drinking some water. I've had already 2 cups of coffee today, so I need to wash it down with some H2O. Grab yours and let's get right into it. Before we get started, I know my makeup looks a little crazy today, a little different than usual. I used a new powder and I think my skin is just a little too dry, so I like clung to this area a lot. So let's just pretend like the makeup looks good. Okay. I'm going to break everything up in categories in case you guys like structure, because that's the way my brain works. Let's get right into the first thing, which is my love, makeup. I have spoken about this powder I think multiple times. I haven't used it on my channel because I literally keep this in my car. This is by the brand Carslan. It is the Black Magnet Soft Mist Powder. Oh my gosh, this was my holy grail all last summer. If you are oily, sweaty, you just get a lot of stuff going on in the face during the summer, this powder is going to save your skin every single time. It does come with a little powder puff, which I have not lost, but I just don't keep it in here anymore. When I tell you that this is the most soft, airbrushed, translucent powder that will absorb your oil, I am not joking. It is so soft on the skin. I'm literally scraping the edges of this. I need to order me a new one, but let's try it here on the chin so you guys can see how well it not only removes and absorbs the oil, but it doesn't oh my gosh, it doesn't disrupt the makeup, and it doesn't leave me with a super white cast, which is my absolute favorite thing, because that is one thing that I struggle with, is translucent powders changing the color of my foundation. I don't like to look white, kind of like how I look right now. I just like my neck and my face to match. This powder is amazing and 10 out of 10 recommend. The Misha BB cream. This is the Perfect Cover BB cream. It is a Korean BB cream in the shade Caramel Beige. It is it's what I'm wearing on my skin right now, okay? And I would never think, and you would never guess, that I'm wearing a BB cream. It is medium to buildable, full coverage. This looks absolutely amazing on the skin. If you're wanting a very youthful, radiant look, definitely go for this. Obviously, I have a lot of powder because it's an oily skin girl. Like, I cannot just leave this, but I love how much you can play with this. Again, if you want a very sheer application, just apply one pump to your entire skin. You can spot correct with this. It smells so good. It is so creamy and like rich in the best way. Also, this has an SPF of 42, so if you are really bad at applying SPF, you don't have to worry about that with this. I absolutely love this. I think I have a video where I used this product, so I will definitely try to find the video and link it up here so you can see how well it performs, but it's amazing, and I think this is going to be the BB cream that I will be using all summer long. As a makeup artist, I constantly run through setting sprays and things like that, so I'm always looking for something that is going to go a long ways for me. And one of the things that was released on TikTok first was the L'Oreal Infallible 3-second setting mist spray. This is the jumbo version. Let me grab the regular version, and as you can see, I keep mine stocked. This is going to make your makeup transfer proof, and this is the original size and this is the jumbo size. So if you are a makeup artist and you're looking for an affordable dupe for the one size, try this one. The only thing that I would say is that this is not as mattifying as the one size setting spray, but this is perfect for bridal makeup, quinceañera makeup, because they're usually saying hi to a lot of people. You don't want their makeup to transfer onto somebody else's shirt or to rub off on their wedding dress or their quinceañera dress, whatever it is. This right here will lock in your makeup. It does say it's up to 36 hours, and I don't know if that's true, But all of my girls always ask me, what setting spray did you use on me? Because literally my makeup stayed in place all day long, and it's always the L'Oreal Infallible setting spray. I recommend it so much. And again, if you're a makeup artist, definitely buy the jumbo size because they will last you a little bit longer. Next category is clothing. I'm also going to be talking about clothing slash shoes, just to put them in one category since I technically only have 2 tops to talk to you about. But oh my gosh, these are so cute. So this specific top, I've already worn it twice, and every time I wear it, I get so many compliments. So this is, it's actually a little dirty. I should probably throw it in the washer. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it has a twist on the shoulders, and then it's a one shoulder shirt, and it is A-line, which is the absolute best thing from the shirt. It has ruching on the side. It will snatch your waist like nobody's business. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with this top. I bought it in the size medium. Unfortunately, this says, oh yeah, it does have it. It has it on the inside, like on the side. So pretty much all my shirts are medium or small. It really depends on the material, but I am obsessed with this shirt. You can wear it with so many different things, with jeans, with shorts, with skirts, with whatever your heart desires. It is the perfect t-shirt for like a weekend, for running errands, for going out. If you're a soccer mom, it just elevates your outfits that much more. This top I have been obsessed with for so long, and I have been meaning to buy it since forever, and I just never did. I was like, no, I don't know how it's gonna look on me. I always like to try on things, but this is so cute. The color is perfect. So it has mesh on the top, and then it has almost like your basic shirt on the bottom, like a sleeveless top. Very, very simple, but it's attached, so you don't have to worry about taking it off. The mesh on top of this just elevates it to a whole nother level. It fits so comfortably, and again, because it is ruched on the sides, it just makes your waist look so tiny. Fabric is so comfortable. It has a nice stretch to it, so you can either size up or you can just wear your regular size. And I also got this one in a size medium. They have other colors, but the army green was one of their best selling shirts, so I figured, why not? Let's go with green, because I always go for white or black or beige, so I wanted to try something new, and I did not regret it. Chancla season is in the air, and I love sandals. I pretty much live in sandals 24/7. Hello, we live in Houston. It is extremely hot. Anyways, I saw these on the TikTok shop, and I was like, those are really cute. I usually don't like I think they call them like pata de gallo or something like that, like the thong sandals. Usually don't go for these just because I have a wider foot and I feel like they don't look so cute. Anyways, I fell in love with these. These were only $6 a piece. The reason why I love them so much is because it's not your typical sandal where it's just round. It's actually squared. And if you have French tip nails, oh my gosh, these look so cute, and they go with literally any outfit, which is why I ordered me this cute top. Obviously, like, this is just a vibe with some cute jeans. Super cute and simple again, but it looks put together. And I got the same sandals in a chocolate brown because I love anything neutral, and black and brown is like a staple in your shoe collection. And again, I got them because I feel like this would match. Kind of giving fall vibes, but I don't care. It's so cute. So the amount of compliments I get when I wear these flats is insane. I don't wear them that often because, I don't know, I think I always just go for something simple like a chancla. But these are the cutest ballerina shoes ever. Oh my gosh, these are actually so comfortable, and they do look very, very cute styled with jeans, or if you wear them with kind of like those slacks but you wear them down or you dress them down, they look so cute. The bow just adds such a cute little detail, and I don't know if you guys can see the sparkle, but it has I don't know what they're called, but they're like almost like beads. I don't know, honestly. I just know that they're cute and people love these, and I get asked, where do you buy your shoes, all the time. Then again, I bought a neutral color because these can go with brown, these go with cream, they go with black. Like, they just wear so nicely if you want to throw on a red top with some dark wash jeans or some black jeans. that will look so cute. Leopard and red is like my favorite combo. Next category is jewelry slash accessories, and I have a few. I actually ordered me some more, so we'll see when they get here. But if you guys love like small, dainty, but very cute necklaces, this one is so pretty. And it is a brand that I am kind of obsessed with right now. It's called Every Jewels. This was only $5. I would like follow them on TikTok because sometimes they'll have free shipping. So I paid $5 for this and it was free shipping. It is a cute cross. This one has pearl little beads on it instead of like the rhinestones. Super, super cute. And so far it has not tarnished on me, which is my favorite thing because sometimes cheap jewelry obviously can tarnish. I'm also a huge earring girly. I love, love, love earrings and I'm always losing them. So I ordered this set of, I think it came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 earrings, and they come with a whole bunch of different sizes, and then it comes with extra little back pieces. Oh my gosh, I love these so much. I'm wearing some right now. Mind you, they are plastic, so they might not last a long time, but they were pretty inexpensive. I don't remember the price. I will list it in the screen for you guys, but I love these so, so, so much, and they go with everything. I like the smaller ones because they just don't look too much. But then if you want to go out or something, then I would definitely wear something bigger like these. I wore them on Saturday for a dinner with one of my best friends, and it looks so cute. I'll try to insert a picture if I can. I'm going to include this perfume and accessories just because this is the only perfume that I have. But oh my gosh, I cannot tell you how many recommendations I have saved on my TikToks. So much, girl. Like my card is at like $1 million at this point. Okay, this is the Estes Smell Real perfume in pressable strawberry gummies. Oh my gosh, if you love sweet scents with a hint of fruitiness, this is such an girly summer scent. I carry this in my bag because I just spray myself throughout the day. Not only is the packaging super girly, but oh my gosh, the scent is such a juicy strawberry with creaminess. It's literally the perfect scent for the summer. I love it. It's cute, it's girly, it's feminine, it's giving all the energy it needs to give, okay? For accessories, I also wanted to just quickly show you this bag that I've had for several months that I absolutely love. And anytime I get asked, where do you get it? Or where did you get your bag? I'm like, girl, the TikTok shop. Not only is a leopard, as you can see, I kind of have a thing for leopard. So cute. It's a tote style bag, and I often add charms on here and it just like elevates the bag. I am that kind of girl, okay? But right now I just have it kind of bare. It is the perfect mommy tote bag. Or if you're a busy girl or if you're busy in college, it fits a laptop in here. I mean, it fits a ton of things. Right now I just have a random things in here because I'm using a different bag. But this is such a nice everyday take anywhere little tote bag, and it keeps itself pretty clean. Yeah, I love it so much, and again, it goes with so many outfits. Like, this is why I wear black, because I have purses like this. This is technically considered under makeup, but lashes, you guys. If you are either a lash fiend or you're a makeup artist and you're just wanting really nice, affordable, but good quality lashes, oh my gosh, check out the TikTok shop. I will leave a link to my absolute favorite ones. So these are my most repurchased lashes. Actually, the lash that I'm wearing right now. And I love these because they're petite, but they have that nice decurl. So do you see how they're like nice and curled up? So they make your eyes look really like pretty and almost like a doll-like, but they have that nice volume and fluff to them. These are it right here. I use these a ton on all my bridals because they're like, I don't want anything too dramatic, but I still want a little something. This is the lash. I was searching and searching for weeks, if not maybe like a month or two, for the perfect bridal lash. And I have come across this one. It is my absolute favorite. I just carry a bunch of different lashes, natural lashes, a little bit more of a, it's natural, but it's giving a little bit of flair. These, if you have girls that are into more drama lashes, me, and these as well. So they're flared like almost like a cat eye, but they're so pretty. I love these. I carry these in my makeup kit and I love them. Super affordable. Most of these are under $5. There may be like $1, maybe $2. Super inexpensive. Obviously, these packs are going to be more, but individual lashes like this are like $1 in some sense. Super inexpensive. If you want a part 2 of things I regret buying or things that I've actually returned, because I am that person, I will immediately return something if I have no use for it. Why would I keep something that I'm just gonna have sitting in my drawer if it's not useful to me or my makeup kit? Absolutely, I will return it. So if you guys want to see a part 2, let me know in the comment section down below. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I love you so much. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.